Alright, so this is a Fire Stick 4K. This is what we're using at signpresenter.com. If you're watching this video, you probably already have an account, but if you don't, signpresenter.com, you can get a free account there. When you get your Fire Stick 4K, make sure it is a Fire Stick 4K. You can use the link in the email that you got to get that. You're basically just going to open it up. It's pretty simple. We have a power adapter. You have the Fire Stick itself, which is right here. You have a remote, and also inside the box are 2 batteries. Installing the batteries is nothing special. You just pop this off. Take the batteries out. Okay, and then on this side of the box over here is your power cable. So you're going to take this device right here, that's your remote. Take this device if you need to. There's an HDMI extender right here, but you can just put this right into your TV's HDMI, plug this power supply into the wall, plug the USB in, and then you plug that in. We'll come back to you with what you see on the screen next. Okay, we're back, and basically you've plugged the Fire Stick into your TV. You're probably seeing something that looks like this. You just click the home button on the remote that you have that came with the Fire Stick, and then the play button, start. Choose your language. You will need to put in a password for your network. Once you have that password in, just hit connect. It will connect to your network. Of course, the Fire Stick does need to be connected to get everything as far as your updates and everything from SignPresenter to it too. So putting it on a connection that is always going to be stable is the best. Even if it just connects once, it'll download everything you need, and then it will stay running in cache. But anytime you update anything on the SignPresenter website, it will need to connect so that it can download the new schedules and things like that. Okay, after that, it will ask you to either create a new Amazon account if you don't have one, or you want to put all of these Fire Sticks and SignPresenter accounts on a different account. You can do that, or just connect it to one that you already have. You just have to have a working Amazon account, and you simply go to amazon.com/code and then FKH2RA. Of course, you're going to use your activation code, and we'll go ahead and register. Yep, we'll continue on that. Save passwords to that account, that's fine. We use no parental controls, so you can do whatever you want to. And so now it's going to set the remote up to your TV, so you'll be able to turn your TV on or off, power up, down, on volume. Okay, just follow the nice little directions here. Right. Okay, so now it's going to ask you a couple of questions. You probably don't want any free trials. We don't really need to set any kind of streaming up. So just hit no thanks. Not now. Okay. It might say home is currently unavailable. It wants to make sure that it's connected to your Wi-Fi. So from here, we need to install the Sign Presenter app. It's as simple as going to the search. What I like to do is press this microphone button, but you can go through and type in Sign Presenter if you want to. But if you just do the voice search, Sign Presenter app, you do have to say Sign Presenter app, and Sign Presenter is right there. I already own it, so I'm going to download it. It'll install. You click open, and from this point you're just going to put in your username and password. Once you have your username and password in, you just click on log in, and from here you're going to pick which screen you would like to use. So these are the screens that you've set up in Sign Presenter, as many screens as you want. So we're going to use this screen, and you can run the schedule, which will automatically start running the schedule, whatever is on that schedule. In order to get back to that list, you just use the 3 lines on the remote. There's a back button, a home button, and then 3 lines. We call it the hamburger. You can go back, and then we could go to the 3rd through 5th grade class. This would be one that you advance with the remote, and so the schedule runs by itself. This one you have the option just to move right through. And of course, if you hit the 3 lines again, the hamburger button, you can go back. If you hit it one more time, it'll ask you if you want to log out. Nope, don't want to log out. Let's keep in the account. What's great about Sign Presenter is it stays on all the time. So once you enter this app, next time you reboot your Amazon Fire Stick, then Sign Presenter will automatically open up, and so you don't have to worry about doing that every time. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks.